Welcome to our channel. Immersing yourself in local culture transforms a trip from ordinary to extraordinary. Step 1. Learn basic phrases in the local language to show respect and facilitate interactions. Step 2. Research cultural customs and etiquette before arrival to avoid unintentional offenses. Step 3. Visit local markets and grocery stores to see how residents shop and live. Step 4. Take public transportation to experience daily life alongside locals. Step 5. Attend community events, festivals, or religious ceremonies when appropriate. Step 6. Eat at neighborhood restaurants rather than tourist-oriented establishments. Step 7. Strike up conversations with locals in cafes, parks, or shops. Step 8. Participate in workshops teaching traditional crafts or cooking. Step 9. Stay in locally owned accommodations to support the community and gain insider knowledge. Step 10. Dress appropriately according to local customs and norms. Step 11. Be open-minded and respectful of different ways of life. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.